absolutely love when I have patients coming in my office with tears of joy in their eyes versus tear of grief because of how much they were bothered by their tinnitus. I actually saw a 6-month follow-up earlier this week, and my patient said she's so glad she stuck with it because she, at a moment of wanting to give up, and after that little hurdle of a couple of weeks, her score was in the 60s, and now it's down to 25 with the questionnaire. So seeing tears of joy makes me super happy, and seeing that, there are tools that can alleviate the bothersomeness of tinnitus. Biggest rewards that my patients have been telling me for using the Levo system is that over time, they're noticing that they're getting more joy in their life. They're not feeling isolated or bothered and irritated on the day-to-day with their tinnitus. They can start to function normally again. They aren't feeling so overwhelmed and exhausted by the tinnitus that they can go to social events again. They can communicate and not feel like they're straining to hear because they feel the tinnitus is overpowering what they're trying to listen to.